presenting the former Division World Champion from Bacolod City, Philippines. Here is the Snake, NIETES.
Laman ng balita ngayon, ang pagbabalik aksyon ng tinaguriang alias ahas ng Philippine Boxing, ang dating 4 Division World Champion, Donnie Nietes. Nasa kasalukuyan ay may edad na 42 anyos at may kartadang 43 wins, 2 losses, 6 draws, 23 dito via knockout. Posibleng makalaban niya ang kapwa Pinoy at 29 anyos na si Philippine Super Flyweight Champion Jemel Magramo alias Pistolero na may impresibong record din na 29 wins, 4 losses, 23 via knockout. Matatanda ang huling lumaban itong si Nietes ay noong 2022 pa na kung saan natalo siya kay Kazuto Ioka via unanimous decision. Habang aktibong boksingero naman itong si Magramo, huling lumaban ay noong Marso lang sa kasalukuyang taon na kung saan nanalo siya via unanimous decision kontra kapwa Pinoy na si Denmark Kibido at nakuha ang Philippine Super Flyweight title. Kung mangyayari nga ang nasabing comeback fight ni Donnie As Nietes mga pre, makukuha kaya niya ang panalo kontra dito kay Jemel Magramo na mas bata at mas aktibong boksingero? Sa mga nakalimot na, ang huling Pinoy na nakalaban nitong si Donnie Nietes ay si Aston Mighty Palikti, isang world title fight ang pinaglabanan ng dalawa noong taong 2018 na nauwi sa controversial split draw. Muli nating balikan ang controversial split draw na laban ni Donnie Ahas Nietes kontra Aston Mighty Palikti, ang laban na para sa bakanting WBO Super Flyweight title na naganap noong September 8, 2018 sa bansang Amerika.
Fight hard, fight clean. Good luck to both of you.
Exceptionally long career. Whether you talk to that is know what you're and pursue that diligently every day.
Yeah, Nietes, that is for a reason. He's in pull his, tricks out of the bag, so to speak. And
Surface, if you were from all other sports,
Nietes has to be careful as a boxer.
basically told us that this is an easy style for me.
it's the kind of thing where Nietes, Max's point is quite correct. Before the moment arrives.
Right, from Nietes in his last previous fights, he still seemed to the ring. That shows.
And of course, somewhere promoted both sides on, he was really talking to
I was
us.
threatening to take our purses. I don't know if I've ever heard a real prize fight, so I can get back to boxing.
You can see Nietes think he's not used to from a range where he must be thinking he shouldn't be able to
Shots and get out of the way, so Nietes is a master of distance and range.
Hard right hand right up the middle.
hit him from so far away.
Drove Nietes' left glove directly into his face.
That's the problem.
Nietes would
Fight, and that's the downfall for a puncher
Fighter like you're scared to get hit. But in fact, the great defensive fighters are the fearless ones who don't
expect to see Nietes stepping inside of Palikte's power.
but doing what Nietes is doing. Range. It's funny you say James Tony because he's done some things. Tony wasn't his best.
3 fights on our Superfly card here at the Forum in Los Angeles. 11 p.m. Pacific time, you're looking at Donnie Nietes. Technical challenge tonight. Aston Palikte.
When those shots are coming from a big and real punching.
Seems Tony to me.
Right, because he knows what the combination. He's already anticipating it. He can see it if the opponent makes.
His long arms.
Actually, a good shot from both men. His shots up. He's at.
Wants to catch him.
I'll get you back in a twin that round. 2 rounds to 1.
Drunks with gold trim.
Young, strong guy.
Seem rattled, but it doesn't change.
Get this. To not be thinking of it.
Really active in this round as in the 3 preceding rounds. Now he lets him
Certainly that applies to Nietes.
off because he just hasn't been nearly as active offensively in this round.
And off, you're not throwing as many punches. You're still trying to be as defensively responsible.
For Palikte.
Harold Letterman gave the 4th round to Palikte, and again, by my court, for some reason wasn't willing to be active against Palikte's big power shots.
Nietes just landed 2.
Said it's a smart move for a veteran fighter.
Right hand lands, and the younger fighter still looking at.
But Palikte has already shown a degree of subtlety in order to overcome him or try to.
Hard right hand by Nietes momentarily stunned Palikte.
Sure of that. I mean, Compare the day's success in the previous round. Most leads
Here in round number 5. Weird, this was a different master boxer. Johnny Nietes.
experience, so knows how to.
The first time through the lineup gives you to the lineup nothing but curves and changes. It's the same kind of thing.
Exactly right.
One round to stoke his second fire away in round number 5.
You save energy. You also make your opponent overconfident, and he has tact.
Takes a few shots, but not too much. He gives the young fighter false air. He uses everything in his disposal, changing the psychological context of the fight and coming back punches in the next round.
And setting him up, you know, as a trip.
That's a trick. A 30 at age 36 that he used to bring. Right, that's not Golovkin's game. His game yet.
Right, and part of that's like the curse of the gifted. When you can punch like Golovkin, advantage how muscular than what your opponent is doing offensively. You can time him.
The fighter who has the patience to sound off. I wanted to win every second of every round.
Well, if he ever comes
Flush throughout this fight.
1, 2, 5, and 6 down or knock him out.
Yeah, I think it's about. He hasn't fought the level of competition. Nietes was able to take that shot onto the fight progresses. Will Nietes and try to set himself. I feel like the hook is something that is, I'm sure that something makes more sense.
But what they were saying was, if I heard it correct, said the straight right hand has been his money punch.
There it is.
Want him in an
Right hand.
maybe they don't want him in an
Jab. He hasn't used it tonight. Good right hand right there. Often as
competitive boxing match where
dangerous. I think you can absolutely see that he step and gets a half step closer and the up resistance.
yes he is.
A while, and you have to be careful into this fight. Nietes is last 8. And Nietes needs to stay away. Nailed with a straight right hand.
Head weak. The set you won't see these guys again for some.
Easier for Nietes as Polite.
And make Nietes really work to get the Nietes back. Nothing much, but it's enough that Nietes now has to really work to get.
But right after that, those few punches that Polite is no longer trying to outpoint this young man. I think he's trying to knock him out. And by the way, guys, I asked the question rating against a challenger named Brandon Cook, defending his 150. Go for the gold kind of puncher with Harold Letterman. Harold, how do you have this one right? His favorite diet.
His hands busy enough. Nice left hook by Nietes, but Nietes does comes back right. Oh,
Down at the shorter Nietes, he's got his chin. Superfly edition, with the same kind against Aston Polite. The challenge has been obvious.
in Nietes' plan all along. Not that he was content just to win him up, undress him, wear him down, knock him out. Whether he gets it. Entertainment value of what they're offering, unless you're
Gonna have nights like this. You're gonna have nights where you look at Eddie
you're assuming.
in order to keep the streak going.
You're assuming, sure, but you continue winning, and that's what I'm asking here. Are we seeing?
On this side, I don't think I would want to see him in particular.
That's right, it's hard to say because he's in with a very, not tall, but physically different.
And I can beat Teresa Getsu on this side.
Nietes delivered,
Early in this fight, Andre Gordon.
set up a hitter, hitters the second time. Pitchers as they age, and they lose the fastball. And he seems to be at that stage of his he can still be effective in those kind of
5 inches taller. And obviously, Nietes has decided to rely on technicianship here in the closing rounds.
Now Nietes.
Until he lands those 2 right hands. Nietes is looking for the right. He wants to clean it up with the hook, right?
So if he ain't nibbling at corners right now.
Donnie Nietes putting on a 12 and tries to finish him off. Has the younger guy, the stricken enough starts out of Polite. Definitely at this point in the fight. And that's the mastery on display. Knowing when. Polite.
114 for a split draw.